Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP doesn't like so much English in the paper. Brajesh Kalappa of the Congress, I don't know whether he likes or doesn't like. We'll have to see where he stands because he's trying to tread on both sides tonight. Typically Congress position. Shefali Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party says, don't do anything which marginalizes those who want to, who would not be comfortable with the English part of the test. I presume that's her position. Naveen Prakash, a UPSC aspirant, is firmly against this 22 marks and 8 questions that you have to answer in English. Rahul Ishwar wants more English. He says no problem. Sanjay Bhoos Reddy, president of the IAS Officers Association, says I have no problems with the English. My first question is to R.K. Mishra, president of the Navbharat Democratic Party, who believes it's too much of a big deal being made over 8 questions that an IAS, potential IAS or a civil service officer has to answer in English. I think it's a big deal. Why do you think it's a big deal, Mr. Mishra?
No, I think a fundamental view from Delhi and Hindi-speaking state, which also includes me, I was born and brought up in UP, they don't realize that India is not Hindi. Now, if you are going to be, it's an Indian administrative service. It is not a UP administrative service or Bihar administrative service. And you do not get your home state. Now, suppose you are going to get Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu as your cadre. Of course, you are going to learn the language of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Along with that, if your English is so pathetic, you also need to learn English as a language. So you are going to, apart from your administrative duties, you are also going to learn 2 languages. And fundamentally, I went through the details. CSAT 2, which has the common sense questions of analytical, your abilities, your ability to take the decision on the spot. These people are supposed to be ordering.
This is simple English.
Shooting when there is a riot. People are supposed to be doing. So that common sense question and then English question is a high school English. And I believe a person who has done the graduation and appearing for UPSC exam cannot comprehend the English of high school. And these people also meet foreign delegation when they are deputed in Delhi or even in their own state.
I have a simple, I want to give a simple example here, first of all. For those who are against this English part, I see hands go up there. Brajesh, you want to go? Let me give an example because there may be viewers saying, oh my God, this must be complicated English. I'll give one example here. 2011 paper is with me.
English.
No, 2011 paper is with me. Okay? Yes, Naveen Prakash, let me give one example. There is a small passage. I have to put it out here. It's some 12 lines. There are 2 lines out of it which says, it talks about a farmer who's walking and it says, as night fell, he slept under a haystack lying in a meadow. As night fell, he slept under a haystack lying in a meadow. And the question below it is, when the night fell, he slept A, in the open field, B, under a pile of dry grass, C, in a farmer's cottage, and D, under a tree. So, Naveen Prakash, my problem with you is, obviously it is B, under a pile of dry grass, under a haystack or something like that. So, this is not complicated English. This is class 5-6 level English. Elementary English. Now, it is written in this passage, it says, he fell asleep because he got tired. Options are, he fell asleep because A, he was exhausted, B, he was all alone. Obviously, because he was exhausted. You are making a big song and dance about questions like this. Will you say tomorrow, Mr. Prakash, you are the want to be in the civil services, will you say you should not even know the alphabets?
It's not about alphabet, Arnab.
It's virtually not like that.
No. It's not about alphabet. I'll say one thing first. Foreign delegations. I love to speak in Hindi because most of the people of Indians understand Hindi, 11 states. We don't become an IAS just to meet with foreign delegations. Sir, मैं जमुई जिले से हूँ और आप जानते हो जमुई जिला कहाँ पर है? You have to go to Tamil Nadu, sir.
How about Tamil Nadu? How about Kerala? How about
आप मेरी बात सुनो. मैंने जमुई का नाम इसलिए लिया क्योंकि मैं इंडिया के मोस्ट नेक्सलाइट अफेक्टेड एरिया से हूँ. मैं उस रेड कॉरिडोर से हूँ. 67 में 2 आदमी ने शुरू किया था और आज वो पूरी दुनिया में फैल गया है. मैं हिंदी के लिए नहीं, मैं वो 22 लैंग्वेज के लिए आया हूँ. क्यों नहीं 22 लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेशन हो सकता है? फर्स्ट. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर इंग्लिश इतना कंपलसरी है तो जब हम ट्रेनिंग आप देते हो तो पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की आप ट्रेनिंग देते हो, तो एक लैंग्वेज की ट्रेनिंग आप लवासना में क्यों नहीं दे सकते? आप हर गांव तक कंप्यूटर नहीं पहुंचा पाए, आप हर गांव तक इंग्लिश नहीं पहुंचा पाए, और आपने इंग्लिश को कंपलसरी कर दिया है कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल के एग्जामिनेशन में। जिस चीज की जरूरत होती है उस चीज की आप ट्रेनिंग दे सकते हो अपने ऑफिसर्स को। अगर मानिए किसी को फ्रांस भेजना हो तो आप पहले उनको थोड़ा सा फ्रेंच सिखाते हो, अगर किसी को जापान भेजना हो तो आप पहले थोड़ा सा जापानीज सिखाते हो। अगर इंग्लिश इतना कंपलसरी है और काम को करने के लिए, तो आप लवासना में 3 महीने का एक सेशन रखिए, क्योंकि हर गली हर चौक में एक कोचिंग सेंटर है जहां पर 3 महीने में इंग्लिश सिखाई जा सकती है। वो बच्चा जो आईएएस बन चुका है, 3 महीने में क्यों नहीं सीख सकता?
If the Modi government gives in on this,
मैं इस जगह पर खुद के लिए नहीं, तेलंगाना के विदर्भ के उन गरीब किसान के बच्चे के लिए आया हूँ। मैं उन लोगों के लिए आया हूँ जो आपके घरों के बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए कुछ नहीं मिलता, किताबें तक नहीं मिलती।
We are all proud of his spirit.
1 minute.
7% population food security.
Mr. Naveen Prakash, Mr. Prakash,
बच्चों को
Mr. Prakash,
लाने के लिए आप
Mr. Prakash, Mr. Prakash,
आप एमजी नरेगा वाले कंट्री के हो, आप इंग्लिश की बात करते हो।
Mr. Prakash, जरा 1 मिनट प्रकाश जी, जरा 1 मिनट रुक जाए।
सर जस्ट
प्रकाश जी 1 मिनट रुक जाए, सबके व्यूज लेते हैं। I want to get Rahul Ishwar next into this. Brajesh Kalappa comes into this. Now what is this protest? No, what is this protest? These are, 1 second. The protest is, there are 8 or 9 questions. We won't take those 8 or 9 questions. I have just proven those 8 or 9 questions are elementary basic English.
We are proud of his spirit.
And I think,
dear brother,
personal question to you.
Rahul Ishwar is, Naveen, 1 minute, Rahul Ishwar.
Dear brother, we are proud of your spirit.
Yes.
We are proud of your spirit. We want to promote Sanskrit, Hindi, Malayalam and ordinary regional languages we have. But having said that, there are some realities we cannot ignore. English as a link language and as a global language has emerged, and language is a growth of centuries. For example, a person like me, when I came to Allahabad, hold on. Having said that, see, there are some realities you cannot ignore, and please understand, people like us who come from south will have a problem in the north, people when go to east will have a problem. And remember, English might have been by foreigners, but hold on, please hold on. English might have been a foreign language. English might have been a foreign language. We have to internalize it, we have to conquer it and use it to our advantage. We have to conquer the English language and use it to our advantage. We have to use the same language to our advantage.
I'll tell you what's going on here. No, 1 second, Mr. Prakash, just a minute, please. Mr. Prakash, just a minute. You know what's going on here.
Please listen.
This is pure and simple politics. Mr. Prakash, 1 minute. Mr. Prakash, 1 minute. This is pure and simple politics. And all of these political parties will now fight over it. I can tell you what they are doing. They have all woken up. There is an election happening in Uttar Pradesh. So there are 2 or 3 ways in which you can divide people, Siddharth Nath Singh. One way in which you can divide people is caste. 1 minute, please. Let me complete. So some people have mastered caste and lost it. Second way you can divide people is religion. So you are trying to do a little thing in Moradabad, somebody else is trying something elsewhere. The third way in which you can divide people or consolidate people is language. So that is exactly what you are doing, because this change has happened in 2011 onwards. In 2011, the UPSC decided to replace the optional subject paper with a paper that tests the aspirant's aptitude. So when this aptitude happens, within this you have communication skills, logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making, problem solving, mental ability, basic numerics, basic data interpretation and basic secondary school level English language. Siddharth Nath Singh, आपको कोई issue नहीं मिला? You didn't get any issue that you are now competing over this. No. First of all, you are a Rip Van Winkle. You've woken up now too late.
Arnab?
No, 1 second. Siddharth Nath Singh.
I'd like to make a point over here.
Hang on. Now you have raised a question.
I personally
Mr. Arnab Goswami, you have raised a question.
Shefali, after Siddharth, yeah. And it's an open debate. Feel free to come in. Yeah, Shefali, just after Siddharth.
You have raised that.
Arnab, the point over here is this issue is hardly political. This issue is about the UPSC introducing something that is not egalitarian. And the point that we're trying to make over here is, Well, the trends indicate that CAST appears to be problematic, and that trend is backed by evidence. There are studies that are being going on. The committee report is still to come out. I request that this issue not be politicized. This is not a matter of Hindi, it's a matter of representation. And if you're looking at a democratic movement where people are not happy with English, you cannot shut the door on them. That's our main point. And whether you're looking at CAST2, looking at comprehension, communication,
Shefali,
logic, people have a right to speak and vocalize in their own language. And the BJP itself has said that it will not discriminate based on language. So why are we not open about the changes that are happening?
the issue is the issue is
I have given my time to the lady, so please allow
the question is this. The question is this. We have a UP election coming up and the Congress, BJP, everyone will try to fight with each other to try and appear to be for the Hindi speakers. What, Siddharth, there are 300 million English speakers in India. There are 300 million English speakers in India. English is one of the top spoken languages in the world.
Mr. Arnab Goswami,
and the civil services of India.
Sermon, can I answer?
Well, your government is confused.
After your sermon,
you have a confused
I've been
government.
very decent on your channel. I've allowed another lady from the AAP to speak. When you raise the questions, allow me to
but you have a confused government. Your government is confused, mightily confused on this.
There is no, you are confused. You are confused. Now let me answer.
Sir, you are thoroughly
You're
confused on the subject.
I'll tell you, there's no politicking, and certainly your accusation on Muradabad is certainly wrong. There is enough to prove that, but we may do
we'll
it
get
on
into that
day,
another day.
But you can't make a sweeping remark on Times Now. Although you are an anchor. Now, second,
let him speak. Let him defend himself.
Let me complete.
Complete.
When you say on the Google Translator, how they translate?
That's a separate subject.
It appeared in one of the leading newspapers coming from South, national newspaper.
You're changing the subject now.
Steel plant.
You're changing the subject.
Steel plant is, Google translates steel plant as
Siddharth Nath Singh.
lohe ka pauda. Now how does a person answer that?
Sir,
these are the issues which is being faced. Those children who are coming from a Hindi heartland or otherwise also.
You see now,
so we need to correct the system which has been imposed in 2011. Maybe the content or the idea could be brilliant, that they must have a management skill, and that needs to be tested.
So Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I
need to be
suppose I were to
correct.
take for granted.
So these things are being looked at the government, and the government will come up with a structured response which we'll be doing in a 1 week's time.
Siddharth, 1 minute, Brajesh, before you come in. Siddharth, let me assume for a minute that Siddharth Nath Singh is an honest man. Let me assume for a minute that Siddharth Singh believes in what he is saying.
No, don't assume I am.
Let me further assume that Siddharth Nath Singh is not just another politician putting up another act. Siddharth Nath Singh has to tell me where he was between 2011 and July 2014.
Yeah.
Where were you?
Arnab Goswami.
I know my name. I know my name. You tell me what you were doing.
This entire issue became a bombshell.
Bombshell?
This issue came rocking.
This is how you
after
describe the
PIL
issue.
and the High
Bombshell.
Court came in.
No,
and
you see,
then the central
totally
government,
disagree with
the
you.
problem is with the central government, they take a decision, then a PIL and a High Court gives a judgment, then on the basis of that they form a committee, a Verma committee, they give a 3 months time,
I would urge
the Verma committee doesn't give a report, the government is not bothered. When we come in the government, we are faced with this crisis, which we are trying to resolve in a very short period, and we have asked for a 1 week's time.
I urge you to consider the facts. Yes, Brajesh, I'm coming to you next. I urge you to consider the facts and consider the language you have used. I urge you in the course of the next 30 minutes to take back the word bombshell which you just used, because to describe a sensitive subject as a bombshell may work for you politically. You may have revealed your mind, but that means you want to use these poor students for your political advantage. Brajesh Kalapa responding to Brajesh Kalapa is responding now.
No, there is no political advantage. Everything cannot be on Times Now political advantage. And Times Now cannot continue saying, do not politicize the issue.
Languages.
Certainly you are politicizing by pulling us into it and saying you were silent. It was the central government under UPA which took a decision.
Gentlemen, one at a time. Brajesh Kalapa.
Yeah. You see, there are 22 languages who are competing against English, and you will realize that a vast majority of India speak these 22 languages and very few people speak English. It has always been the effort of the Indian National Congress to bring more and more people into the mainstream. This is the reason why the Indian National Congress took steps
Mr.
in the very
Karappa, it
first
was your
place
doing.
to remove London, to remove London from the ICS system. One, then we increase the age the limit from 21 to 24 and then to 26. And today we have tried to bring every group possible to be able to complete the examination in a fair and efficient manner.
Brajesh
This has been
Kalappa,
the
you know,
effort
you
of
are saying a
Indian
lot
National
but saying
Congress.
nothing. Are
It's
you
the very
for or
same
against?
effort.
Brajesh
Mr.
Kalappa, you are
Karappa,
saying a lot
why
but saying
did in the
nothing.
first place you
You're
bring in
saying a lot but saying
2011?
nothing. You don't even know your own
And why were
position.
you
Are you
sleeping
for or
till May
against?
2014?
2011, since 2011,
Are you for or against,
there have
sir?
been people who have been suffering.
No, watch it. Can I just speak
3
to
years
Brajesh
you slept
Kalappa?
over it and you pushed it.
Brajesh Kalappa, watch it. My charge against
No, we
you.
did not.
My charge against you.
I hope you will know that we
My
increased
charge
the
against
the
you.
age limit.
My charge against you, Mr. Kalappa, at
that
least
charge
let
will
me
not
there. You
fly.
hear that? My charge against you.
Yeah, sure.
My charge against you is that unfortunately for the Congress party and unfortunately for 10 Janpath, you have got into a cycle of taking decisions in your tenure and then protesting against them because there's a BJP government in the center. There is no hiding today.
No.
You created the mess.
No, I'll tell you what.
You created the mess.
No, we did
you
not.
changed the rules in 2011 on the basis of the Khanna committee panel. Am I right? Am I right, Siddharth Nath Singh?
Yeah.
Am I right on that?
Yes.
Yeah. No, let me
That's right. In
explain.
2010,
Let me explain.
Ornab, in 2010, the Khanna committee comes
the
up and
charges against me
then
and
they
Mr. Singh
change
wants to
it from
speak.
2011
The
you
charges
start
against the
implementing
Congress
it.
and the
When the
BJP
PIL case
wants to
comes
speak.
and the High Court gives a judgment, you think of forming
Mr.
a Verma
Singh is very
committee
quick on the
and you
draw.
don't even bother
Mr.
to
Singh
accept
is
the
very
report
quick
or
on the
ask them,
draw.
please give us the report.
Mr. Singh is
And
very
that
quick
let
on the draw,
next
but that
government
doesn't
decide
help the
it.
matter.
So that is
The
exactly
charges
what we are
against the
doing.
Congress,
We have
let me
asked for a
answer.
1 week time and we will be taking a decision in a week's time.
You see, Arnab, the point is that in March of
Your
the last
problems
year,
we
the
are
issue
undoing.
came to a
You're
boil.
doing, we are untying it.
At that time, Mr. Rahul Gandhi had met these gentlemen who were agitating. On that basis, there was a decision taken to enhance the age
And you didn't take a call.
under which they could qualify.
No, Rahul
And this
Gandhi
was
what?
Specifically taken.
Rahul
You didn't
Gandhi
take a
wakes
call.
up
No,
occasionally.
you
Allowed the
don't want
committee to
give
run
any
for
credit
3
to us,
months
it's a
with 1
different
month's
matter.
extension.
But the people will give us the credit.
Is this a joke?
No, it's not a question of credit. Don't honestly take a credit that Rahul Gandhi met them. You should have resolved.
And then
If we are taking Mr. Karappa, if we are taking a call that within a week we will resolve it, why couldn't you do it?
That committee
in 10 months.
That committee could
Why
not
didn't
give
you
its
do in
report,
10 months since
and then
when the Rahul
elections were
Gandhi met
called,
them?
And elections were called. And then you know that the government was not able to talk to the committee.
My dear
But
friend,
this government has been in existence for 60 days. What has it been
You
doing
give
for
an
60 days?
extension
They did not know.
to the committee.
They did not know that this kind of a issue
The
would
committee
arise.
you form
For the last
because of
60
the
days,
High Court,
a government which
you
which
politicize
promises
it,
to
you
be
meet
more
Rahul Gandhi meets,
reciprocative,
you
a
don't take a
government which
decision.
says
Gentlemen, let's
that
go
you
back to the root
are
issue.
Government, when they come,
Let's
you
go
say,
back to
okay,
the
no
root issue.
problem.
My question to Sanjay Reddy is a more basic issue. Sanjay Reddy, please just tell me one thing. We can keep debating it. By the way, don't mind it, Brajesh, but I think just as the BJP is being opportunistic, you are being hypocritical. Rahul Gandhi takes one position in 2011 and one position in 2000. No, please don't. I'm not going to mince my words
totally
with you.
disagree.
No, you can say we can argue on how hypocritical you are. No, we can argue on how hypocritical you are, but it is only the question of the degree of hypocrisy. The fact that you are being hypocritical on this there is no doubt about it. My question to Sanjay Bose Reddy is this. Sir, tell me, for an IAS officer, an IFS officer, or a revenue service officer, isn't basic, and this is basic proficiency in English not necessary? Can you work without knowing basic English?
With my experience of last 25 years, I can say with humility that you need basic learning of the language English, because a lot of business in government it's transacted in English. Then, as one of our member has very rightly said, that you may get some other cadre, like I come from South, but I am in UP, so I have to learn
Yes.
Hindi.
Yes.
Similarly, other languages you learn.
These things you
But
learn on
then
the job.
you need to have
These things you learn on the
proficiency
job,
in a
Mr.
particular
Bose.
language.
English you learn on the job.
Arey,
and
Mr.
the common
Kalappa, let him
language-
speak.
And the common.
But not at competitive examination level. You can learn it at Labasna.
Let me complete.
Why Labasna has been made?
Let me complete.
Labasna बनाया क्यों गया ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए? You can learn English there. You can learn French there.
No,
you can learn anything there.
Labasna cannot become panacea for all types of learning.
Competitive examination should be for level playing ground. And you are not creating level playing ground. What is the significance on 15 August 1947? 15 अगस्त 1947 का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है सर? क्यों हमने आजादी ली? क्यों इतने सारे लोगों को शहीद किया हमने अंग्रेजों को लड़ने के लिए, अंग्रेजी से लड़ने के लिए? क्या उन लोगों ने नहीं कहा था कि वह देश हो हमारा जहां शहीदों की आत्मा न रोए? क्या उन्होंने नहीं कहा था कि कोई गरीब बच्चा पेट बांध कर न सोए? बड़ी मुश्किल से माओ ने हम बच्चों को पाला है। चुनौती है आपको जो हमारा अधिकार छीनने वाला है। सर मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं कि खुदीराम बोस, चंद्रशेखर बिस्मिल, लाला लाजपत राय के लहू से सींचकर हमने तिरंगा उपजाया है। अगर इस तिरंगे की आत्मा को मारने आओगे तो सुन लो, सारे डीपी अग्रवाल बदल दिए जाओगे। और आप इस तिरंगे की आत्मा को मारने के लिए आए हैं। जो लोग सीसेट को, जो लोग एप्टीट्यूड को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, जो लोग इंग्लिश को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वो इस देश की आत्मा को मार रहे हैं। वो नहीं समझ रहे कि 67% पॉपुलेशन की बात है जो फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल के अंदर 1 रुपए में अनाज खरीदता है, 2 रुपए में अनाज खरीदता है। सर आपके घरों में जितने एसी होते हैं उससे 50 गुने ज्यादा आपके घरों के बाहर फुटपाथ पर सो रहे लोग देसी होते हैं। आप उनके बारे में सोचिए। आप कभी कन्याकुमारी से लेके कश्मीर तक जाइए, जनरल ट्रेन में ट्रेवल कीजिए। आप गुजरात से लेके असम तक जनरल ट्रेन में ट्रेवल कीजिए और पर्दे मत लगाइए खिड़की के बाहर, पर्दे के बाहर देखिए, आपको एप्टीट्यूड नजर नहीं आएगा, आपको इंग्लिश नजर बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा। आप जहाज पर चलते हो, आप एरोप्लेन पर चलते हो, आप सिर्फ बादलों को देखते हो।
Naveen, you see what happens is, suppose you get into the IAS, one minute, well spoken. Suppose you get into the IAS and you get posted into a state like Tamil Nadu. You see, there is a world, just remember one thing, Naveen, क्योंकि हिंदी हार्टलैंड के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है। Just a minute, no, Naveen, now listen to me. मैं हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूँ आपको।
Yes sir, सुनो।
हाँ, और ऐसा मत समझ लीजिए कि अंग्रेजी एंटी नेशनल है, फिर तो हम एंटी नेशनल प्रोग्राम करते हैं, एंटी नेशनल चैनल आप बोलेंगे क्योंकि अंग्रेजी चैनल है। ऐसे मत समझ लीजिए कि नहीं भारतीयता, एक मिनट नवीन एक बात समझ लीजिए, आप बात समझ लीजिए। भारतीयता जो है, नेशनल फीलिंग जो है, ये एक लैंग्वेज के साथ इसको एसोसिएट मत कीजिए। ये दिल से नहीं, एक मिनट आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, 2 मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। ये भारतीयता जो है ना, ये दिल से आती है, ये कोई लैंग्वेज से नहीं आती है। पहली बात आपको मैं कह रहा हूं, मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है मगर आप समझ लेंगे मेरी बात। दूसरी बात मेरी ये है, यू कंसिडर अ सिचुएशन, आप मान लीजिए that you get into the IAS and you get posted to a state like Tamil Nadu. Now, as you know in Tamil Nadu, for example, yes, 1 second. Shefali, I know you want to come back. Shefali, just in Tamil Nadu, under the Official Languages Act of 1976, the official language of communication is not Hindi. How will you communicate?
Sir,
and how will you communicate?
I will love to learn Tamil first, second.
No, but you see, you'll have to communicate at some level. No, you can't say I will now then learn Tamil.
If English is
that will take you time. You need a language to do your job in. Don't make it a nationalism issue.
Arnav sir,
no, don't make it a national. What, Naveen?
Let me say just one sentence, sir. Let me say just one sentence.
Others also want.
It's not about learning English language or not learning English language. It's about competitive examination.
Yeah, it's
English
a competitive examination. Tomorrow you can say, tomorrow you can say, for example, you can say, I don't need any mathematical skills. I don't need any logical reasoning.
Sir, it's social reasoning, it's social engineering, not mathematics.
You can say I don't need. You can't.
I didn't complete.
1 second, Mr. Sanjay Bose Reddy is taking you on. 1 second, he's coming back to the debate. Brajesh, I'll come to you after Sanjay Bose Reddy. I think the Aam Aadmi Party also wants to come in. Yes, Sanjay Bose Reddy first.
See, let's not confuse CSAT with language or penetration of computers.
But these is elite class aptitude test.
Let me speak. Now, let's not confuse these two issues. CSAT is different, and knowledge of a language as well as penetration of computers is a separate issue. We are mixing issues. Now, when we talk of CSAT, it is not only in the civil services. You go for any exams, you have aptitude test, whether it is any other competitive exams which are conducted by various bodies.
This mentality of aptitude is elitist. You people don't understand this mentality of aptitude.
Now, if you allow me to finish, then I think we can have a better dialogue. Otherwise, it's nice speaking off the cuff, but we are all emotional and we are all Indian and we understand what is being an Indian. And we are all citizens, but it's not that anybody who knows English more is more Indian, or knows Hindi is more Indian, or Telugu, Tamil, Malayali. So we have to see pan-India, what is the situation, what is the administrative arrangements, and which language acts as a common language. Now, the English which is asked in these exams is nothing great, which is, you are seeing the question papers. There may be issues of translations in some of the question sets, but that is an issue which can be resolved. Now, having said that, I would also say because I am expressing the views on the behalf of the association.
Sir, I don't understand. Nobody is catching my point. Nobody is catching my point. 20 to 67% population, sir, don't understand English. 67% population.
I would disagree, because after the 80 Kothari Commission and after 80s, when engineering papers were also introduced, regional languages were also introduced, you have every year.
Sir, have you read Satish Chandra report?
Satish
Chandra Commission?
No, I am talking of last 25 years. You go and see, and you go and into the statistics. You have officers from Bihar coming into the IAS and the civil services. The major chunk comes from UP, Bihar and Andhra.
See the situation after 2011.
There's another, one second.
See the situation after 2011. And Arnab, I don't
can't
know.
pick and choose. You can't be
कोई
selective.
जानता है या नहीं जानता है यहाँ पर इस चीज को, मेंस के जो मार्क्स में गिरावट आई है 2011 के बाद, एप्टीट्यूड आने के बाद, it has degraded the quality of civil services aspirants. वो बच्चे जो वहाँ गए हैं, वो 200 से 250 मार्क्स कम लाके गए हैं.
English is in the 7th standard. The last time he learns English is in the 7th standard. So naturally, he has that much of a disadvantage.
No, this I want to. Brajesh,
में पढ़ता है, वो बच्चा जो तेलुगु में पढ़ता है, वो बच्चा जो ब्रजेश में पढ़ता है. सर रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर को बंगाली में गीतांजलि उन्होंने बंगाली में लिखी थी, उनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला.
Please don't no, 1 second, Naveen, just a minute. No, 1 second, gentlemen, I'm coming in. I just want to explain how ridiculous this argument is now. You see, everything is being associated. Nationalism, Hindi Bhashi, people from Hindi heartland not being allowed to speak. Is English a foreign language? By tomorrow, somebody will say that you're wearing a shirt and a trouser. That's also not an Indian dress. You should not dress like that. You are less Indian because you wear a shirt and a trouser tomorrow, Naveen. Somebody may accuse you of that. Now understand that.
Anti-English.
No, please don't. You can't. No, 1 second. The question is this. 1 minute. Please understand the question in detail. I want to explain this thing to you. There is another passage. 1 minute. I want to explain this to the viewer. There's another passage about a toothbrush. Passage 2, UPSC exam 2011 का passage है. Last line of the passage, and then I repack and forget it. He's talking about the toothbrush and have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped in my handkerchief, pocket handkerchief. Question is this. His toothbrush is finally A, in his bag, B, in his bed, C, in his handkerchief. Now, this is, you don't have to have any advanced knowledge of English to say the toothbrush is in the handkerchief. This is so, and the reason I'm putting these questions out is so that there are a group of politicians out there, Brajesh, there are a group of politicians out there who are trying to make this a political issue. I say to divide the country.
No, this is not
To use language to divide the country. We must expose them. We must expose those people. We must expose those people and ask that question.
To speak on our behalf, saying that all languages are discriminated.
These kids are the generation of Mulayam and Lalu.
And I ask, no, 1 second. I want to ask Mulayam Singh Yadav. I want to ask Mulayam Singh Yadav. Did Akhilesh? No, I want to ask Mulayam Singh Yadav.
These are the ones who stopped.
Where did Akhilesh go for college? Did he go to Australia? Did Akhilesh do his degree in Hindi in Australia? Did Lalu's children do their degrees and their education in Hindi or in English? You want to throw this on top of the people of India and use language, Siddharth? Why are you falling for this? Your government is supposed to
And I
think
think we
differently.
have had a
No,
problem
I
with the
think-
language in this
no,
country.
Your government is not supposed to divide the people of India, Siddharth. You're falling for this trap.
not make it emotional.
This is a trap being set for you.
Issue.
You're falling for this trap, Siddharth.
Issue, Arnab, and try
We
to
have
pitch it
already
as
done it.
Don't
English.
Don't
We all
divide
come from
people.
English schools. But
You
there
want
is
to
a
divide
practical
people
problem
using language.
which needs to be addressed,
Parties can-
and
Please
therefore we must
understand,
calmly be
this is
talking
not
about
about the
it.
elections that
And
are
the
happening
issue
next
is,
month or whenever.
does the Indian
This is
education
about
system
a
coming from the rural
mishandling of a
area
representational
make
issue.
them learn
Since
English?
2011,
In the first place, they don't
when
learn
the
English there.
curriculum changed, studies have indicated
Shefali,
that
Shefali,
more
Shefali,
urban and
Shefali
less
is coming in.
rural people
Shefali.
are getting in.
1 second, let Shefali speak.
Arnab,
Shefali.
I need to say this.
Yes, Shefali.
There has been complete mishandling of the situation, not from now, but from 2011. And it is very wrongful to say that this is a political agenda today, because the issue of agitation has been coming up since 2011. Yes, people are on the streets right now. The government should have taken better cognizance of it.
Where
but
were
there
you?
have been issues.
When did you wake up
be
to
it
it?
with Google Translation, be it with the fact that more studies are indicating that more urban and less rural people are coming in. If people are trying to tell us something, it's important that we listen to them
Shefali,
and wait and not politicize
Shefali,
this issue.
you know what? You know what? You can choose to. No, no. You want. You know.
You can come on the street for everything.
1 minute.
What is the problem? Shefali, explain the problem.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
Coming on the street on the political issue, there might be political parties behind it. Tell what the problem you see. Don't say there is an issue. There are so many issues in this country. Don't try to divide the country on language lines. We have
Absolutely.
done that in 60s and 70s.
I'm
Nobody's
saying
trying
it
to divide
openly
the country
today.
on language
Shefali,
lines.
tell the issue.
This
all
exam is the highest service that the country has to offer. Everybody has an equal right to write this exam.
No protest happening in
If
Chennai.
half of the people
No
are
protest
saying
happening
they
in
cannot
Bangalore.
write it,
No
then
protest happening in
Gentlemen, one at a time.
And by the way, my BJP colleague should stress over here
Shefali,
that
please,
they
don't
themselves have said very clearly
don't talk the
they're
language
not
of
going to discriminate
okay?
based on language.
Crowd does not mean what crowd said doesn't mean it's right. There is no protest in Chennai, no protest in Kerala, no protest in Bangalore, no protest in Assam. Why only protest in UP and Bihar? These states are not country in India's states. Why? Please tell. You are from UP, I am from UP, but we should think about the country.
The question is.
What is this?
No, who's thinking
Just
of the
because 2,000
country?
people came on the street, maybe they are incited by political parties. That doesn't mean the country will change it. These are Indian administrative officers. They are not
Now,
Bihar.
I
UP,
also
or
want to
Kerala
make
administrative
another
officers.
point. I
Do you
want
have
to-
answer
I'm
that?
sorry, sir. I have to put this in context.
What
if
is
this
it?
issue was such a small issue, why did the Prime Minister on the
There's nothing
15th
in
of
context.
July say that he will look into the matter? Why did a minister
it's a political
hand
issue.
milk or juice
can-
to
of course, he's a
agitators
political
saying
leader, he
he'll
has
look
to
into
say
it?
it.
Why is the
He
Home
has to say
Minister
it. He's a
talking
political
about
leader.
it?
Criticize the
So if you're
language
saying
issue.
this is a Delhi
No,
very
issue, you're
sensitive
completely
From
wrong.
UP election is coming.
Now, gentlemen, are we going to think about the national interest or not?
Election is coming and he's a home
No,
minister.
1 second. You see, I want to
What
ask.
the problem is?
No, no, 1
We are
second.
talking about the problem.
We were told,
There was a
Siddharth.
paper under
Siddharth.
optional. You can pick it up in any languages.
Siddharth, you
In
have-
any language, you could have done it before 2010.
And then the main
The
English
issue
paper,
is with the change of time, is it
Siddharth, you have still
necessary
not-
to bring the IS officers or civil servants to have a managerial
How do you
skill?
clear
I think
mains if
yes,
you
it
don't
is
know
important.
English?
Why
They
should
must
I-
have management skill, and that through
There's a
aptitude test it should be
compulsory English
tested.
paper of mains.
the question.
But the
Compulsory English paper, what will you do? What will you do over the compulsory English paper which is in the mains exam? How
well,
will
in
you
this
going to
such
clear that? If you
it's an
cannot clear
important
this simple
debate,
English?
Mr. Mishra. It is an important debate. I don't think we will serve any purpose if we all start speaking at the same time.
Mr.
I know you
Siddharth
come
Singh,
from
why
UP,
are
you
you
come
getting
from
into?
Sitapur. I understand all those things.
No, Mr. Siddharth Singh, what about? No, you are not even being logical tonight. You see, the problem. What happens is when politicians, when politicians decide, that they want to go for an issue which is usually they think is going to be something which will get them political advantage. Sometimes they are not logical in their thinking. Consider this, sir. Your government keeps saying, Siddharth saying, 1 minute, your government keeps saying, Mr. Singh, don't mind it. You need to hear this today. Your government keeps saying we are going to compete with China. We are going to take on China. We are going to compete with China on the global stage. Now, China and India are similar with exploding populations. We are developing economies. Our edge over China, you ask anyone today, Our edge over China is that we are today more well versed in English than our neighbor, which gives us an edge on the global stage. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you then promote for a higher understanding of English in the country? One second. Rather than an unnecessary protesting.
Well,
1 minute. Mr. Singh, I have not completed. Simple question. Is the government of China anti-Chinese? That it is asking Chinese to pick up more English?
Yes.
Are they anti-Chinese?
No, they are not.
Are they less proud about their country?
The government has not taken any decision.
Now you back off.
The government has said, give us 1 week, we will resolve this problem. At the same time, we have our sympathies towards the students who are on the street.
Sir, I'm asking you.
Issue, if it is only English which is you are making into an issue, I think there are many ways that can be solved.
No.
One can be technically by using the computer with a better translation, and English being an important language which we all recognize as a global working language. We are not denying it's a global working language. There is a way to solve that problem.
But are you are creating Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh.
We are not opposing English.
30 years.
Okay, one at a time.
Arnab Goswami, we are not opposing
Rahul Ishwar is countering you. I'll say who's going to speak next. Rahul Ishwar.
There are many studies which say in the next 30 years, English is going to be spoken in the way Indians are going to speak it. The great thing about Indian Sanskrit is assimilation and integration. English may be an alien language, but we have internalized it and now use it to our advantage. We are going to conquer the world with a good English knowing crowd. Please use it to our advantage.
Which has been raised by the students.
I'm sorry.
I think
Nobody is against it, but please spread English more.
Should I open the lines?
The voice of the protesters need to be heard right now.
English
They are
plus
saying there's a
Hindi.
problem with the
Why?
curriculum.
No,
It
no,
needs to be
It
listened
is
to.
not English versus Hindi. It is English plus Hindi.
No.
Versus 22 languages.
Have you heard about Trivallur? How
This
many
is
people have come
English
to India
plus
to study
Hindi.
Indian
This is
languages?
English plus Indian
Sir, Arnab,
languages.
sir.
There is
You
no
see.
versus. It is only plus.
Arnab sir,
My question is, why are we creating?
इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाया जाता था इनमें. नालंदा तक्षशिला में इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाया जाता था.
देखिए नवीन जी.
इंग्लिश एट द लेवल ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन. पॉइंट ये है कि आप इंग्लिश को कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में क्यों ला रहे हो? ट्रेनिंग देना है, आप ट्रेनिंग दो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन पास करवाने के बाद. आप उनको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में क्यों ला रहे हो?
नवीन मैं आपसे एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. नवीन मैं एक बात आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ. एक मिनट मैं ये बात नवीन जी जरा सुन लीजिए मेरी बात. आप दो बात सुन लीजिए. यू आर अ यंग मैन. आई विश यू वेल. आई होप यू आर सक्सेसफुल इन योर एग्जाम. बट डोंट गेट यूज्ड बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. एक मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. विस्तृत तौर से आपको मैं समझाना चाहता हूं कि ये राजनीतिक दल जो ऐसे होते हैं ना. रवीन जी आप बात सुन लीजिए. आपसे थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे को राजनीतिक पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के साथ. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं आपको कि देखिए नवीन जी आप सुन लीजिए.
आपको मुझे सुनना पड़ेगा.
ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज से डोंट गेट यूज्ड बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. They are only looking at this for political advantage. I am telling you they are doing this only for political advantage. And when they have finished their politics, Naveen, Naveen, आप सुन ले. Naveen, you're not listening. Naveen, you're not listening.
2 हफ्ते से खाना नहीं खाए. आप जितेंद्र सिंह का बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखिए. सी द काइंड ऑफ बॉडी लैंग्वेज ही है. इतना इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है. आईएएस है जो देश की रीढ़ है, जो देश चलाएंगे. वो युवा है. अगर 20,000 युवा आज नेक्स्ट लाइट ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं आपकी वजह से, तो क्या होगा इस देश का आप समझते हो? क्यों इस देश में कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी से वेल फर्स्ट युवा जो है नेक्स्ट लाइट में.
Naveen, I'll tell you one thing. Naveen, I'll just now listen. No, I'll tell you one. Naveen, I have just one. Naveen, just listen to me. Listen to me for a minute. आप सुन लीजिए.
यहाँ पर कोई पॉलिटिकल सर किसी भी स्टूडेंट पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सपोर्ट नहीं किया है.
You see, this is.
If Naveen has finished, Arna, I would like to say.
इतना भाषण आप दे रहे हो. हर सब्जेक्ट की तैयारी करो. अंग्रेजी की तैयारी क्यों नहीं कर लेते? थोड़ी अंग्रेजी की तैयारी
में अपने लिए नहीं सर. दांतेवाड़ा सर मैं खुद लिटरेचर ग्रेजुएट हूं, लेकिन दांतेवाड़ा
अपनी तैयारी यार दांतेवाड़ा को फिक्स कर देना.
One minute now, Naveen, I listen to you. Now let me speak 1 second. I'll tell you one thing. I want to say one thing. I want to say one thing. Naveen, just 1 minute. Naveen, 1 minute. Naveen, 1 minute. बस बात सुन लीजिए आप. बात सुन लीजिए. बात 2 मिनट सुन लीजिए आप. हाँ, 2 मिनट बात सुन लीजिए. आप जाके आज किसी को भी, आप जिस कैंपस में है ना, उस कैंपस में कई लोग रह चुके हैं, हम भी रह चुके हैं. बात सिंपल ये है कि आप किसी को पूछ लीजिए कि स्टूडेंट्स को यूज करना पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लिए, शायद आप यूज नहीं हो रहे हो, मैं नहीं कह रहा आप हो रहे हो, मगर आप सुन लीजिए बात. रवीन, यू मस्ट लिसन टू द अनकंफर्टेबल ट्रूथ. ओके, you ask people today, did political parties use students during the Mandal Commission agitation? 1 minute, when Delhi University was burning, when the caste word came in 1990 में, जो उस समय के 17, 16, 18 साल के युवक आए थे, उनके ऊपर ये सारा कास्ट का जो फीलिंग आ गया. और उस समय जब दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी जल रही थी, तब भी स्टूडेंट्स कह रहे थे हम ठीक कर रहे हैं. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज पीछे से उन्हें उकसा रहे थे. दे वर इंस्टिगेटिंग देम. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इंस्टिगेट स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देयर पॉलिटिकल एडवांटेज. दिस इज, you don't become a good Indian by hating English. I'm saying this. If you think you become a good Indian by hating English, we will have to redefine what Indianness is all about.
My point is,
no, don't create this whole anti-English culture. It helps political parties. It doesn't help the country. It doesn't help the country. I want to go back. And on that, I want to go back to Siddharth and the others. Siddharth, yes, Siddharth.
You should correct yourself.
Siddharth.
Don't link that you became by hating English you become good Indian. I don't think this level the
This
debate is there.
anti-English
You are
attitude,
unnecessarily
you are
dragging the debate
creating an
that if you
anti-English
hate English,
situation
you
in this
become a bad
country.
Indian or a good Indian. It's nothing of doing. It's a serious issue. Please
So
appreciate
if it's a serious
educational
issue, I want to
system
ask you.
in India is not universal.
No, if
there
you,
is a problem at our
Siddharth,
own educational system which we need
Siddharth,
to correct.
I am asking you today. You have not answered my question.
Where they come
You have
from.
not answered my
But
question.
they must get,
Why didn't you
I
answer
get
my question?
children because they are in
Why?
Delhi,
No,
they get
1 second. Why didn't you answer
to
my
appear
question?
in English?
Why don't you answer my
give them
question?
an equal opportunity. Somebody who's coming from Dantewala.
So 1 second.
This is the question which we need.
The question is very
And you are
simple.
honestly taking into
The question. 1 second. The question is.
divide, a caste divide.
Siddharth,
I
give
don't
them
think.
benefit of English.
I don't think you're
Give
serving
them
the
benefit of
purpose
English.
on
And
this
give-
debate.
and give them
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I say to you tonight with sincerity that you have 1 second, Mr. Mishra. Siddharth Nath Singh has no answer to the basic question which I asked. I will repeat it. Do the people of China become anti-Chinese by going and trying their best to learn English? Do they become? Is the government of China
Nobody's
anti-Chinese?
stopping them
And
in India.
and Mr. Siddharth
Is
Nath Singh, in
anybody
fact, your
stopping anyone to learn English?
government should
Are we not
compete with
is
China at that
the
level.
government stopping anybody from
Your
learning
government,
English?
instead of giving in for
Mr.
political
Arnab
sensibility,
Goswami,
should
even in
compete with
for
China
no
for
matter of
that.
fact,
You
they
should
are
compete with
they
China.
Learn after they have done in Chinese.
So
Then they are encouraged to learn
are we a one language nation?
In India, we are encouraging children to learn French and German.
We are the most diverse country.
What about English?
Are we Japan?
You understand
Are we
that
China?
globally you need to compete.
Are we
So
Germany,
nobody is saying
Japan,
don't
China,
learn English.
America?
I don't
We are
understand.
country of so many languages.
The government has not come up with a structured response
You-
till then.
you
need
Yeah,
to wait.
yeah,
But
exactly.
Your logic is not applying today when you are asking the question.
I am
You
glad.
are-
I
that
am
is where
glad.
the
problem
I
is
am
coming.
glad.
You ask
Because
Mr. Reddy.
you are
He
honestly
is the
taking
IAS officer. He
your
knows what
question
it
to a
takes.
level that English, if
No.
you hate English, you become a good Indian. Where is this question come up?
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, you're not aware of what you're encouraging. You are you are simply creating this, anti.
I'm not encouraging, you're encouraging.
Of course you're encouraging. Now you're going on the back foot because you don't even know. You don't even know. You don't even know that you don't even know. Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, you don't even know today.
Can be very dangerous.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, you are doing dangerous politics.
very dangerous.
As per the Official Language Act, English continues to be used for the
You are
official
doing a
purpose
dangerous politics.
of the union and for
You want to
the
debate
English
on
is
the
used
channel.
for the
You are
transaction of
honestly
business in
placing
Parliament.
Hate English versus
English is
India.
used for the transaction
It's
of
not a
business
question
in
of that.
Parliament.
You
Is it
are
not?
honestly making it into
Is it not? Is English not indispensable in day-to-day government functioning?
My request
Is
to
English
you,
not indispensable in day-to-day government functioning?
Taking the debate in a wrong direction. Nobody
you are
on
not-
the
you don't
channel
have a
is
single
saying,
answer to
don't learn English or hate English to
Sir,
become a good Indian.
sir, I tell
That's
you,
not the issue.
I tell you,
It's a level playing field is the
you
issue.
You didn't answer
that
two
is what
questions.
we all must be
You didn't
addressing.
answer two questions.
Can we provide in this country
You didn't answer two
various
questions.
people to appear in civil service exam on a level
Sir,
playing field?
level
That's
playing
the
field.
question.
Yes. Now, therefore, you didn't answer two questions, and I want to emphasize this as I thank my panel. Let's get everyone on the screen.
I've answered your question.
My two
on
questions
China,
were
I've
this.
answered your question. If you
My
want to
two
understand
questions
it,
were
you'll
this.
understand it.
My two questions were this, and I repeat my two questions. I would like to repeat my two questions. First is, why were all of them who are on TV today, were they sleeping between
Why was Times Now
2011 and
silent for all this while?
2014? Now
Why
they
was
feel
Times Now silent for all
it's
this
an
while?
issue for the UP elections.
I have one question. My one question.
Yes, Mr. Kalappa.
Answer my one
Yes,
question.
Mr. Kalappa.
It's not the timing, sir.
I said,
You don't like my question.
I have, to the best of my abilities, explained our position. It is for the BJP now to explain what they were doing in the last 2 months. Were they sleeping? This was a government which came with big promises. They promised Archegin, they promised all kinds of things, and today they are caught sleeping.
And it will serve. It
from 2010 to 2011.
And that's a fact. because
Yes, Shefali. Yes, Shefali.
issue and this English issue
Last
has
one,
been
Shefali.
put under the carpet since 2011. Now I want to ask, why weren't the governments doing anything about that? They should have brought it up now rather than having keep people agitating on the roads.
Gentlemen,
Why was this matter put under the carpet?
Ladies and gentlemen.
This matter has been put under the
Ladies
carpet.
and gentlemen, it would serve us well to remind everyone that the Delhi High Court declared that the UPSC was not violating any law by testing potential candidates in English. However, today some political parties want to make it an issue of basic sacrilege. Is it?
Now I would like to make one last point.
I think we need to reconsider this. I want to thank everyone for joining me at this point. I promise to revisit the issue.